Hi, it's Mimi from Living Well Kitchen, and today I am making crock pot pork tenderloin. This is hands down the most popular recipe on my blog, so I figured 5 years later it was time to make a video. This easy crock pot pork tenderloin practically melts in your mouth and comes with its own wine and garlic gravy. What I love about this recipe is that it's really easy, obviously, and you don't have to have the onion soup mix packet because I never have those. You just need some spices. Okay, so if you don't like garlic and or red wine, this is not the recipe for you. It is garlic and lots of wine and onion stuff. I like to cut this part off called the silver skin. This just makes it a lot easier to enjoy your pork once it is cooked. You can use a knife. I find that scissors actually make things a lot easier. The knife, I feel like, lose control. Pork tenderloin is so lean that I usually don't cut the fat off. We are just gonna put this baby right in, what's this called? A slow cooker. Pop it in. Then add the liquid ingredients. So water, pour in some red wine. Make sure you use a wine that you actually like to drink because you're gonna taste it. Also, if you don't like wine, use chicken or vegetable broth in place of the wine. And then Worcestershire, I think I said that right. We're just gonna mince up some garlic. Just on the side here. We're just gonna top the pork with the garlic. So you have a mixture of spices, cornstarch and sugar. So I like to stir it together first. It's basically replacing the onion soup mix packet. Stir it all together and then sprinkle it on your pork. It's gonna look like a lot of seasoning. That's normal. And now you're finished. Put on your top, set this aside. I'm gonna pour a glass of wine. I like the way this wine tastes a lot. And so it's gonna be good in my pork. If you don't like the way the wine tastes, you're in trouble. Don't use the wine if you don't like the way it tastes. If you have a chance, it's not mandatory, but I like to flip it once it hits 3 hours. Hey, it's ready. Ah. Oh, it smells so good. The gravy that it makes is not very thick, so you can do a few things. You can add extra cornstarch, or you can just be like, I like not super thick gravy, and just eat it the way it is. I'm gonna make this gravy a little bit thick. We're gonna do that by adding some cornstarch. Stir it into some cold water. Make sure it's cold, and then stir it all together until there's no lumps. And then pour it in. And then take it out of the slow cooker and serve it with the gravy on top. I'm so excited. Be careful when you're cutting it because it's gonna fall apart. That's really high. For the full recipe, visit Living Well Kitchen. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and share.